He doesn't have to sing a song, he sells.
Cartel talks to everybody, reaches out, is friendly to everybody, is accessible. Alkaline is inaccessible.
Alkaline, him not doing a show at Jamaica, him say him done with Dirty Jamaica and now perform food. But that's why I'm going to know what that himself and more.
The pain of the fight, all the hate, all the lies done me, and somebody who me love.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nanda. You know it's a boss, Nanda and I building, with another episode and another banging vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. So, as you see in our topic and as you see in our thumbnail, we're here to talk about Alkaline, and we see where Alkaline went to Canada and him shelled down Canada with a massive performance, and we see where him get a massive turnout from all of the true support and the true fans of dancehall and also of Alkaline's music. So, we come to talk about some things that we see are spread in our media. And before we jump into that, we want to make sure you like, subscribe, and share the content and hit that post notification bell. So whenever I drop a video, you guys can be the first to be notified. So let's just jump right into the topic. So we see some things that spread in our media where, you know, an interview went down with ER, which is Anthony Miller. And Anthony Miller made a misleading comment, and we see where Alkaline's Publicist came out changing the narrative because, you know, they must let me say, a long time they must spread some narrative about Alkaline. What I really want to ask is it that them really hate Alkaline so much? Because for years they've been spreading narratives about this young man, stating that him not showing a respect to who come before him in a dancehall. Beanie Man came on Beanie Man come on stage and say Alkaline say him not perform for Dirty Jamaica. And now we're here in 2025 where Anthony Miller stated that Alkaline is inaccessible, as to say him not take no bookings, or you know him, nobody no see him, nobody can get to him, nobody can contact him for bookings for sure or whatever. So Anthony Miller made Anthony Miller made a misleading comments about the youth, the young man, and me have some clippings more play for you with some of them highlights there, as to say the whole thing we're going with you know, with Alkaline and what going on media. Cause trust me, I get to realize that them people, it's like them like for spread propaganda and misleading comments or whatever it may be about this young man, which is Alkaline. Because when you look on it, you know, nobody else them spread no misleading comments about. It's only Alkaline. Everybody else, where you see I do it, it's like the media tend to prop up everybody else, but whenever it comes to Alkaline, not even greatness some of the times, them not really highlight. Give thanks for the few where really highlight the greatness, but me see some things are going on, and it not look right for no say, yo, them a tear down the young man, because even the same interview that went down, the young man that Anthony Miller was interviewing, he stated that Alkaline, him see Alkaline as dancehall's prince of dancehall, because him say the person stated that Vybz Kartel like king of dancehall, him a doing thing right now, which I can say, yeah, I agree, but to say that Alkaline, right, Alkaline is the prince of dancehall, I would doubt that Alkaline would want to be in that position. I don't think him refer himself to that, or even think himself to be that person, as to say the king or the prince of dancehall. So me I go play some highlights for you with some of Alkaline's previous performance in Canada, and we see where it was a massive turnout, as me saying, of viewers and subscribers. You know, him get the full support of his fans and the lovers of dancehall music. Because one thing me can tell you, them always a try to hide this youth greatness, or hide him glory, and then whenever them ready, them like for spread propaganda and misleading comments about him. So me I play some of my highlights from the youth show, and then we can talk about the other things when we say earlier in our vlog. Say them a try to spread propaganda about this youth, and them a try to spread misleading things in the media. So watch this. I nah lie, I like how the fans them reciprocate the music. Cause every time this youth perform, you can see how the audience enjoy the whole set of when the youth perform. And one thing I can say also is that if I never for the fans them, the youth it would have harder for him sustain because we see where them a try hold on this youth. Like the youth been tell everybody say, yo, when you not conversate me, talk the facts when you not conversate me. So them out here in the media, I say some bagga thing, and them have people a run with it because after Anthony Miller made this statement, a lot of people are run with it in the comment and I say, yo, yeah man, a Vibes Cartel like boss, man, Vibes Cartel can get booked for anywhere, but Alkaline I go like say, yo, him more than a body and rare. So that's why Anthony Miller say him inaccessible because him no want to take no bookings or him no want people reach out to him. So listen to the comments where Andrew Holness make and then I go read some of the stuff that Alkaline's publicist stated in a recent post on Instagram. Watch.
Pinned by Cartel. He is the one that's leading dancehall.
And you know, back in the day when they were talking about Bob Marley, there was the Crown Prince. People thought that was Dennis Brown, who is the Crown Prince of dancehall.
I'd say Alkaline. Every single Alkaline show we've done, which is about 6 of them, we've sold out every single one by bringing that gentleman on stage. And he, no matter what, he doesn't have to sing a song, he sells.
Cartel talks to everybody, reaches out, is friendly to everybody, is accessible. Alkaline is inaccessible.
That is true too, and maybe that's a part of his, je ne sais quoi, the fact that you can't just reach out to me. But yes, I would say that would be my crown prince of dancehall right now, and I would say Cartel is the king.
So after Anthony Miller stated what he stated in his interview, the gentleman that was seated in front of him agreed to it. I don't know why he agreed to it. But I know probably it's not any ill way or whatever whatsoever. But Alkaline's team made a post on Instagram to debunk all of what was said in that interview. So in the post where Alkaline's publicist he stated that in a recent interview, a prominent Jamaican entertainment opinionist made yet another attempt to push the misleading narrative that recording artist Alkaline is inaccessible. This assertion is simply unfounded. For years, specific figures in the Jamaican entertainment media landscape have engaged in a reckless campaign to pit artists against one another, all for social hype and clickbait that fuels their ratings. These opinionists who run subpar platforms and receive unwarranted acclaim for their popular programs do not embody the principles of trustworthy journalism. They abandon ethical standard in favor of sensationalism, delivering heavily biased content filled with distorted interpretation rather than objective analysis. So the man state that it's a long statement, so I don't really want to read out the whole lot, but the man publicist released that statement on the media because if you don't really come out and address certain things, people are going to run with a narrative, and it is always good for really address certain things. You know, Alkaline really do that, so him have him team. And people come out and I say, yo, Ratcha, the man making publicist release this, why him couldn't come out and address it? Yo, people think that Alkaline is a common artist, or him a commoners. Them man a thing, a business. And if you want to reach out to him, just shout up him office, as him stated in many of him songs them. So Anthony Miller made that statement, and brother, me I tell you, say, yo, for years we see it, where them people that come out here and spread some lies, misleading comments about the youth. Like as I said to them been a said this, say Alkaline, now give respect to the elders them before him, and him come for interview on stage and say, yo, I just some people I go like say, yo, me no rate nobody, or me no respect the elders. So it is always good to come out and debunk some of the things them where people must say. So me I play another clippings from the past with Beanie Man and Theme Statement, and it was said that Alkaline say a lie. Beanie Man I tell Beanie Man not even know Alkaline that they say, yo, the youth say no one proper and productive Jamaica. So watch your clippings of people.
Which one the artist sends it? I have a man, come action. Hush, 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 hush. Every artist there Jamaica. From me there, everybody there. Them not work hard on me, I fool them, I lie them out. Listen to me, I say no. ALKALINE, him not do no show in Jamaica, him say him done with dirty Jamaica, and now perform fool. I just want to know what that thing say what I'm not.
So I want to hear the clippings there. I want to remember when Beanie Man did made that statement on stage back in 2017, right? What me get for really understand is that it's like them people are really hate ALKALINE on a different level. Because no such man can really come out and spread so much propaganda, misleading comments about somebody where them not know, you know. Yo, I'm really convinced of them hate the youth. Yo, more time when you sit back and you relax and you say to yourself, say, Jano, the youth you must great why them hate him so much. The youth then him own a lane and him a do him own a thing. You notice say the youth not even push no beef with nobody. Him not push no dirty vibes with nobody because yeah, everybody has say unity and unity. So the youth a hold him corner. Oh, you gotta be a person. What kind of person you can be? When you turn the other cheek after being disrespected, humiliated so much in the media. And everybody come now and say unity, unity, ALKALINE for farm unity with the rest of artists them. But at the same artists them tear down him every day, spread propaganda in the media about him every day. And now them want him to turn the other cheek. Come on, how can that make sense? That can't make no sense, people. And that is why his fans feel the need to come out and defend him and fight for him because them know say the youth I get a real fight in the media. Because watch this again. In music, them a drop, him a get the support from him fans, them still have a problem with it. Them not supporting music, him fans are supported, them have a problem with it. Them a prop up who them a prop up, and them a highlight who them a highlight in their music. Because we see it, you know, everybody else where you see them champion, it's all affiliated to another person, which is Vybz Kartel. And because they are affiliated with him, they don't have an issue with propping up them even when them a fail, even when the music now go on with nothing. And we see where ALKALINE a support and a give him all in our music because the youth come for interview and say, yo, anyway the music them dead, you know. So that clearly shows you that the youth is there for the music. He's doing it for the culture. So it's not like he might do it for himself. Yeah, he might do it for provide for him family and he might do it for become great in our life. But yet, he might do it for the culture. But yet still these same people in the culture are tear down the youth. Both fans and both artists. No matter what him do. Over the years upon years. You see, after 2016, every song where the youth drop them say on a hit. And then as time goes by it, you hear them and say no. Oh, them song that did hit, man. Or hit song them did have, man. But in the previous time, in the midst of the time, them say on a hit. 2020, the youth sang them Cree. But the Cree now feel like another them song there. Them a say on a hit. Them a say he must sing like him sound like mosquito. Him sound like he must sing too much in him nostril and rare. Them hit. And them same people that come back now, I tell you, say them a hit. After saying that it wasn't it in the whole time frame of that time. So now we see where the youth literally are doing music for the culture. The youth literally are sing timeless music, not just for the trend, not just for the hype, not just for now. The youth literally are do the thing now, but yet still are outside them and get the support. Because watch this. Majority of Jamaican fans don't support ALKALINE. Like people who are up on the ground don't support ALKALINE. Me listen to some mixtape, some dancehall mixtape, and I kid you not. Majority of songs them play upon the mixtape, you know, hear ALKALINE music. So me I wonder if them boycott the youth music or because some of my songs them on hear upon some of my mixtape them I play a garbage them, but who can I be if I say them a garbage? If I do them, the DJ them are put together for make mixtape. Them now play the youth music, and as I say, people, viewers and subscribers, what go on right now in a dancehall, a segregation thing. Because as I say, you know, Bounty Killer came for an interview and stated that, you know, ALKALINE can never be a part of his dancehall family, you know, which is the Mavado, the Cartel, the Popcorn, the whole of them youth that were under the Gaza and the Alliance wings, the affiliate. So, me assure you say, yo, the fight is real out here for this youth. And when you're ready, you hear people that come out and I say, yo, Who not different alkaline like you know alkaline man and way. No, at the fight, who not fight the youth. No matter, we understand that the youth him have a lot of potential, but we see it that him who not fight the most. Because me see enough artists drop songs and audio, we not go nowhere, but yet still them not fight them down. Them feel the need for fight down alkaline. And I'm glad and respect for the opinion where the guy share upon the interview with ER, you know. Say, Alkaline are the prince of dancehall in his eyes. Well, everybody have their own opinion. So, by his analogy and by his view of Alkaline trajectory and how he might do it in a dancehall space, him find it fit for say that and that. Me can definitely say, that's fact, but the youth don't want that. The youth don't want a prince, no king. None of that. The youth just want to be somebody great. Viewers and subscribers, it real out here. For Alkaline right now in a dancehall, I do it for the culture. And remember your name next show, Jamaica, you know. A more propaganda go spread because every time this youth have something upcoming, any big moves, somebody feel the need for break in momentum. Somebody feel the need for spread something in our media. I can't understand. Viewers and subscribers, tell me in the comment section, we want to see really go on in the space of dancehall. The unity there, but yet still them a tear down the youngster called Alkaline. Viewers and subscribers, a vibes and insight with Nando. Make me know what you think. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Because one thing for sure and one thing for certain, them can't get out the youth here. The youth here already in the space of dancehall. Them never want him last 2 years, you know. Them never want him even last, not even last less than 2 years. Them they just think say him just one of them artists that will come and go. But because him still there now, some of the time them have to highlight him greatness and some of the time them feel the need for spread propaganda about him. But viewers and subscribers, make me know what you think in the comment section. Share your thoughts in the comment section and remember to leave a like in the chat and leave a like on the video. You know already, man. A mad thing. I'm out.